Hi, my name is Benjamin and you are watching Benicarus Trades. Welcome to the show. This is my financial markets wrap up for Thursday, December 21st of 2023. It's exactly one more day for this trading week and then we are going to have Christmas on Sunday. So here we can see it, the SPY, QQQ, IWM and the Dow Jones are all up quite nicely after a pretty bad pullback day yesterday. So today we did have another interesting news. Container rates hit $10,000 as ocean freight inflation soars in Red Sea crisis. So we have heard that there were pretty bad attacks in the Red Sea and that is causing container and freight shipping companies to divert their ships, and in return it means goods are gonna take longer to arrive at their destination. Also, unfortunately, that the price is going up because it just takes longer and the ships are not available. Yeah, it sounds like a deja vu. It reminds everyone, of course, that this feels just like what happened during the pandemic when supply chains were super constrained and prices either went up or things were just not available. Of course, we all hope that this is not gonna be as bad as it used to be, but this conflict, of course, also has the potential to drag on for a little while. So let's see how that is going to turn out. So they mention here that IKEA is one of those companies to say that there are going to be delays in products reaching stores. And it's interesting because I was just there today to get a few things. I started to prepare for Christmas and I wasn't even in front of the computer when the market opened because, of course, there is so much going on at the stores and traffic is bad and everything, so I can tell that volume is really going to thin out over the next few days into January. So the Santa Claus Christmas rally is technically starting tomorrow and it's going on for 5 days. And I would just want to mention here that most likely people are gonna be out shopping, taking off, preparing food, Christmas parties and so on. So whatever is going to happen is going to be on light volume. So would I enter the market knowing that anything can happen? Yes, we do have seasonality. Yes, we do have a Christmas rally. But it's only an indicator that favors a certain direction, in this case bullish direction. It doesn't mean it has to work out. And therefore, in my opinion, being still a holiday kind of season, I would probably not enter a market in this condition, only if I do like a stock and the price is right. You know, always envision myself basically trading with the money of other people. And when I imagine that I would potentially lose other people's money, it makes me a lot more careful on what to do. I'm not as risk-taking, especially, and I am also a lot more on the conservative side when it comes to decision making. And this is one of those instances. It is holiday season, yes, but still the rest has to be in the right situation as well. It cannot be only a seasonality kind of thing. I might miss out, I know that. That's all right, because we're now dealing here with probabilities and also with risk and reward ratios. And right now, to me, it just doesn't feel right. So here we have the fear and greed index, and we can see the meter is just ever so slightly in the greed territory, almost jumping over to extreme greed, where we have been just 2 days ago. More importantly, we do have the sentiment survey that just came out yesterday, and we can see that more people are bearish again, but also more people are bullish again Therefore, the people that are neutral are less. Still a pretty extreme read in my opinion. But let's check out our sectors first. So it really is a whipsaw action right now. We did have green, red, and today again super green. There is not one single sector that is in the red. On the future side, we did have natural gas and coffee especially getting more expensive, while on the other hand we did have oats, orange juice, soybean and sugar getting a little bit cheaper. On an individual stock basis, we can see a ton of greenery again here. Only Apple was slightly down, but the rest of them were green. And there we have one very interesting one, which is Micron, which reported earnings. It was beaten up yesterday by 4.2% and today it is up 9%. Pretty amazing. So let's check out our charts. So I mentioned it, all the indices were up today. TLT pulling back a little bit, and also our stocks, the semiconductors especially, up quite a lot, as well as of course the EV stocks such as Tesla. Even Lucid was up, and also we did have NEO up 4.5%, Rivian of course, the one that I'm watching closely, up 1.68%, and another one that I actually like is PSNY, which stands for Polestar Automotive. I believe the cars are really nice. Yes, it is. It used to be the sports division of Volvo, and now it is the brand for electric vehicles. Really nice cars in my opinion. Of course, they are also in the hands of the Chinese, but in this case Volvo was granted that they are allowed to develop their cars on their own. The solar stocks are up quite nicely as well. Bitcoin related stocks and financial stocks are up as well. I mean, it's so green. It really is quite amazing. All right. If you liked this content, please make sure to subscribe and like this video. That would help me out a lot. You can help me out even more if you check out Interactive Brokers, the broker that I use on a daily basis. If you like them and you open an account with them, I appreciate it if you would use my referral link in the description. Another thing that I really like is a trading journal from Tradesviz. They have a 30% discount with a coupon code. And also I am attending the Trading Pit Challenge, a challenge that I like because they are based in Europe and they also have a 90-day period for the initial challenge. All right, that's it for today. I hope you're all well and you are going to have a fantastic rest of the day wherever you are. Talk to you soon. Take care.